So this got cleared, but if, under here, we put all the pieces in. So we just want to see either, again, the math, this is part 2, or we want to see, so time, we're going to have distance. Let's make that bold so you can see it and underline it. Over speed. So we don't need to underline that, so we can get rid of that. And then we're going to, when we do this and we divide distance 5 by the meters per second squared, we get that. So we want to see that unit, so I'm going to come back here to this. We either want to see the formula set up, or like here, as you can see this, but please always don't forget your units. Now we're going to probably do some more of these tomorrow in class, just as more practice, so don't worry about it, but I will post the picture, the Adobe Acrobat folder of that if you need it, if you are not with us. So have a great day.